Hi YouTube, my name's Ty. I'm getting ready to go over a couple of the components that I'm getting ready to put into my next build. I'd like to start out with, I have a Asus P8Z77 VLK motherboard, which I am a big fan of Asus, and it also comes with the DigiPower for basically the person that this build will be going to will be, I'm sure, getting utilized with the overclocking capabilities of the motherboard. You can either flip a switch on the motherboard or you can do it within the OS system and click a button and voila, your board is now overclocked. Next up is my Corsair RM 650 watt PSU, which will be going in there. I like Corsair basically. I think they're like top of the line, my personal opinion. Next up will be my Intel i5 Core 3rd generation Ivy Bridge 1155 socket processor. Then I have a 250 gig Seagate Barracuda hard drive and a Kingston Hyper 90 gig SSD, which will be going in there. My internal card reader, right side, yep. And I have 16 gigs, 4x4, 16 gigs G-Skill Ripjaws. And as for an optical drive, I have an Asus CD-ROM DVD burner. And just for kicks, I'll put this in there. This will be optional later. Is a GeForce GT 440 EVGA by EVGA DDR3, which also is the memory, and the motherboard supports that also. Alright, I guess I will be getting started. Oh, now, last but not least, my case, which is a Roswell PC case. There's a back view of it. Nice size cutout there for the able to get to the CPU in the back of the processor there. And has these easy snap on and off clips for my optical drive, card reader, and my hard drive base. And they also give me a little baggie with some extra stuff. Right here is my USB 3.0 cord for my audio, LED lights, power, all that good stuff. USB 2.0 and Molex connector and fan connectors. This case comes with 4 fans, one up top. Okay, well, what happened was I seem to have run out of video. So, whoops, whoa, there we go. Hey, we're back. Okay, so what happened was I seemed to have run out of video. So, I finished running my cables, and might switch it up, maybe, thinking about it. Not definitely sure, but as of right now, I mean, it looks